Hello, welcome back. As for students, now we're going to cover a social issue, but I need to say sorry first because when it comes to teaching, these kind of social issues in class at school, normally I'll generate a lot of useful discussion with you, and I'll ask for opinion, and I will show you some YouTube videos. Now, for YouTube videos, I will still I'll give you the link, okay? So you can have a look at the last page, okay, here, or I'll attach link somewhere else. But because of the constraints here, physical constraints here, it is quite impossible for us to have discussions. All right, so it can be quite dry, I would say, or tedious even here to discuss the issue here. So I will just keep my explanation part really short, because those questions, as you can see here, are just very simple questions. They are mostly testing you on the understanding of the passage and also your opinion. So I will not spend a lot of time going through it with you, but I will check your finished product. Okay. For example, this kind of question. Do you still want to take a gap year? Why or why not? Provide 3 reasons to support your choice. All right. So I will place more emphasis on questions asking about your opinions. Right now, so gap year. What is gap year? Basically, a year. Okay, you take now here in this. Would you like to take a gap year after DSE? Okay, so basically that year you do not do anything. You just, locally, you do not do anything locally. You want to go to other places, okay, to learn more about the culture, to pick up, for example, an accent, or to get some good friends. All right, so of course there are pros and cons. So in the first article, you're going to look at advantages and disadvantages of taking a gap year. So you will see some example here. All right, and after you finish, of course there are some experts' opinions here and there. After this, after looking at this article, you attempt questions 1 and 2. And 2, passage 2. Is the gap year dead or just a waste of time? So this question is quite a central one when it comes to the discussion of gap year. Okay, so let's look at an article from a more advanced source, Guardian. Okay, and you will see some examples here, and answer questions 3 and 4. So actually there are only 4 questions for you, and you focus more on developing your understanding about the subject matter. Here is gap year, and if you like, you can watch these 2 TED Talks at the very beginning as an introduction, or as a roundup is also okay. Whereas consolidation means roundup. Okay. So basically, these are things that I would like to